what's up, court nerds? Time to get served. It's your boy, Phil, and we're on the road to 10K. Thank you so much. We just surpassed the 8,000 subscriber mark in just under 3 months. I can't thank you enough. Thank you for watching videos, posting comments, super chats, just everything that you've done to make this channel the way it is today. And speaking of today, what a day in 14A in the 36th district in Michigan. First, in Simpson, it started off great. He was all smiles, and in this first clip, he is joking around and having a good time. But then he realizes the fun is over, and he has to deal with hot mics, defendants who just don't get it. And we even hear him catch himself saying, "Here we go again," right before a defendant is about to go on to Zoom. Then, in Judge Bryant's court, she gets a woman who just shows her nothing but blatant disrespect, and the gloves come off. So without further ado, let's roll, nerds.
Ms. Barroso, alumni of the champion, who's that? Connecticut Huskies, whatever. Not that that means anything to us this far west, but that's all right. Go ahead. Uh-oh, we can't hear her. She's unmuted. We can't, I know. This is horrible. Great. Good job. This is the way to start the day. Since we can't do anything with that, we'll just wait. It's okay. Don't apologize. It's kind of a husky thing to do. All right. Always delaying stuff. If she were a terrapin, she would have had this all settled.
Good morning, Your Honor. Can you hear me now?
Finally, see? Yes, I can hear you.
I had it set up through my computer, and I've been having audio issues, which I think is the headphones hopefully help now.
Kirby said she was going to do that to you, so it's all her fault. Go ahead. Could you do the waiver, please?
I'm working on it. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to find the email that Kirby sent me with the waiver in it.
Would it be that the prosecutor's office does not believe that there is a conflict between this court and the public defender's office? And to the extent that one does exist, you would waive that for all cases proceeding today. Is that what she wrote in the
It's like you read my mind. Yes.
Hey,
thank you, Your Honor.
I do that. Sometimes that's scary. All right, Ms. Reed.
Yes, good morning, Sylvana Reed, Assistant Public Defender. The Public Defender's Office would likewise waive any conflict, so we do not believe that any exists.
And the court, for its part, also does not believe that there's a conflict either under the Michigan court rules or the cases decided thereunder. To the extent one does exist, given the waivers, the court will consent to hear the matters. The court does call the case of Superior Township versus Janelle Manigault.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jamil Williams for Superior Township.
Good morning, Mr. Williams.
Sylvana
Ms.
Reed.
Manigault.
Yes.
Public Defender with on behalf of Ms. Manigault. Ms. Manigault, could you state your name for the record? Oh, you're muted.
Seriously.
Technical difficulties abound.
Hello. Hello. Janelle Renee
Hello, Ms.
Manigault.
Manigault. All
Hi,
right.
Judge.
Hello. I'm almost afraid to ask, where are we?
Well, I didn't hit no cone.
You what? You didn't hit any? Really?
I didn't hit any cones.
Okay.
But I'm still practicing.
You're still practicing?
Yes.
Okay. So when are we taking the test, Miss Manigault?
I have an appointment next week, sir.
Okay. You didn't hit any cones. We're all going to pray for you. When's my next date?
We have May 17th is the first available date.
May 17th, and I know, Mr. Williams, you're not normally on my docket. Will that work for you, sir?
Yep, May 17th is wide open for me.
All right. May 17th, 2023, 9 a.m. Ms. Manigault, good luck.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate you being patient with me.
I don't have a choice, I don't think. All right, but thank you. All right, take care.
Thank you.
Continue. Mr. Williams, take care of yourself, please, sir.
You too. Thank you, Judge.
Court does call the case of the people of the state versus
Few
Joyce.
moments later.
Do I still have somebody at the jail?
Yeah.
Then they got to come out of that breakout room because this is holding up everything. That's why I don't give it.
I can send a message to the breakout.
Court calls the case people versus Terrence Moore.
Assistant Prosecuting Attorney Morgan Barroso on behalf of the people.
I'm here.
Okay. Mr. Moore,
Yes, sir.
do you have a
I'm sorry, what's that?
camera?
Let me see what I can, yeah. I'm turning it on. Sorry about that. How do I do this? All right, is it on?
Yeah, it's on. Back
How do
up from it. Put your face in it.
Yeah, I'm trying to, let me just flip it over, sorry. I'm not so tech savvy. Okay.
There you go. You got it. All right. You are before the court on the charge of operating a motor vehicle without security. You understand that, sir? Meaning you didn't have insurance.
Yes, sir.
All right. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to, I believe it's 90 days, or not more than 1 year, excuse me, not less than $200 fine, and not more than $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. First question I have for you is, do you wish to be represented by an attorney?
No, sir.
So what are you going to do on this case?
I'll plead guilty, sir.
Why would you do that? Why would you give me 360? I have 365 reasons why you may not want to plead guilty to the charge.
I will plead. Oh, may I hear some of these reasons?
Sir, do you wish to be represented by an attorney?
Yes.
Thank you. This is a public defender case.
Assistant Public Defender Constable Blythe on behalf of Terrence Moore. Your Honor, at this time, we would waive any further readings and stand mute to the charges.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute. Court will enter a not guilty plea. I'll adjourn the pretrial in this matter to May 17th, 2023, 9 a.m. I'll set the defendant's bond at a $5,000 personal recognizance bond. I'll order standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior or weapons. There's to be no use of alcohol or any recreational marijuana or any illegal drugs. You understand all of that, sir? Mr. Moore?
I'm not following what's going on right now. I'm sorry.
What are you not following?
So you're saying that I have another court date to appear to?
Yes, May 17th.
Okay.
Just listen. In the interim, I'd suggest you talk to your attorney. There may be a way that the case goes away other than you just pleading guilty and potentially spending 1 year in jail, which is why I was asking you that question.
Okay.
Now you understand me?
I understand that part. Yes, I do. I'm
yeah.
sorry.
Okay.
Terminology
all right.
is a little different.
I was here to stop you from doing something stupid. So that's my job sometimes. Now I'm setting bond. And I'm setting your bond at a $5,000 personal recognizance. You don't have to pay anything, but if you don't show up, you're going to owe me $5,000. We understand that? Yep, you got that one too, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're kind of getting clear on each other. Now, the other thing is, I'm ordering standard conditions, which means you can't leave the state, you can't commit any other criminal offenses or anything like that. Got that?
And this is before May, the court appearance in May.
Yeah, but it's going to continue until we resolve the case. You got that?
Okay.
There should be no assaultive behavior or any use of possession of any weapons, firearms, or ammunition. You understand that?
What if I'm legally able to possess firearms?
If you legally can possess firearms, talk to your attorney, but I don't want you really possessing it, but I understand that you can legally possess.
Okay.
You understand that?
Yes, sir.
I'm also ordering no alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drug. You understand that?
Is there medicinal reasons? Does that matter? Because I do have a license.
You got a whole lot of, all right. I said, listen, I said alcohol. You got that one?
Yes, sir. No alcohol.
All right. No alcohol. No illegal drugs. You got that?
No illegal drugs. Yes, sir.
Okay. We're getting it here. All right. The other thing is no recreational marijuana.
Recreational.
You
no
got that?
Yes, sir. No
All right. So when you have the card, what kind of marijuana is that?
That is medicinal, my sir.
There you go. See, we learned something today.
Sorry, I'm a little, you just one step at a time with me, sir. I just want to just understand.
I know. I don't even understand what's going on sometimes. I got it. But we got through it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You come back on the 17th. Now listen. You got something to write with?
Yes.
All right. I need you to write this phone number down. Area code 734.
Yes.
222.
Yes.
6970.
Yes.
Okay, that's the Office of the Public Defender. Right after you finish with me, you call that number, tell them you were before Judge Simpson, you give them, and that gave you counsel, and you provide to them a valid phone number for you, okay, a good phone number, and a good email address.
Okay.
You got that?
Yes, sir.
All right, so when I'm done here, what are you gonna do?
Call 734-222-6970, Public Defender's Office. I'm going to say that I've got to see Judge Simpson and that I'm going to give him a phone number and also email address so that way he can get in contact with him.
Beautiful. We got it. All right. All right, young man. We'll see you in a couple weeks.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Do all that. Don't blow it.
Well, will I be receiving another? Will I be receiving another?
You'll get another notice in the mail.
Okay.
But it'll be the 17th. But you'll be in contact with the Public Defender's Office. That's why you have to do that, and they'll let you know the specifics of when you appear.
Okay.
Too. Okay.
Thank you for your patience.
Yep.
Hey,
just leave
all I
your
got
contact
sometimes.
information. Just leave your contact information, and I'll send you everything that you need for your next court date.
So I'm not going to be talking to you personally?
Yeah, I can talk to you personally. Just
Okay.
call the Public Defender's Office, leave your phone number, and I'll contact you.
All right.
Yep.
And sir, yeah, I appreciate you thanking me for my patience. I didn't need patience. I just needed to make sure you understood. You're good. All right. I appreciate you listening because some folks just don't. All right. All right, young man. Take care. We'll see you in a couple weeks.
All right.
Take care.
Now, 20 minutes later.
Thank you.
Thank you. Court calls the case, People versus Eric Vermeulen.
Assistant Prosecuting Attorney Morgan Barroso on behalf of the people.
Sylvana Reed, Assistant Public Defender with and on behalf of Mr. Vermeulen. Can you please unmute and state your name for the record, sir?
Eric Vermeulen.
Thank you. Mr. Vermeulen, can you give us an update as to the status of what is going on with your license and the other cases that you had?
Well, I've been trying to take care of these tickets that I have. Most of them we've reached an agreement on. There's 4 of them that went into default wrongly. Now, I have letters from the Secretary of State that say these tickets have been dismissed. Now, the court will not let me appeal these tickets without giving them $1,200. They won't let me go in front of the judge, talk to her about them or anything. So I don't know what to do about these tickets. But I'm not going to give them $1,200 that I don't have to appeal something that is incorrect. I mean, am I wrong? I don't know. I don't know where to go from here. At this point, if the prosecutor wants to give me if the judge wants to give me one more adjournment, I would really appreciate it. I'm going to give it one final attempt to try and have the court take a look at these tickets. If I can't, then we'll just have to go from there.
Your Honor, I would respectfully ask for a 2-week adjournment in this matter. Hopefully we can find a resolution.
May 17th, 2023, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Eric, I told you last time, get it done.
I'm trying to. I really am.
Yeah, what did I say? What did I say? Don't try. Get it done.
Will do.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
Court calls the case. People versus Damon Watson.
Assistant Prosecuting Attorney Morgan Barroso on behalf of the
2 hours later. Meanwhile, 8.
Good morning, ma'am. Please tell the court your name.
Shaniqua McGowan.
Ms. McGowan, please start your video.
I know, I'm trying to figure this.
Ms. McGowan, what time did you think you had to come to court today?
I don't know. Actually, my mother is out of town, and the attorney sent all the information to my mama. So my mother just texted me.
No, nobody had to send no information, ma'am, because you got you.
I didn't get anything. I don't have a phone. She texted to my mother's phone.
I don't care nothing about a lawyer or a text. I'm talking about the notice that the court sent to you. Furthermore, you a grown woman, ma'am.
And I didn't get a notice.
Now, who you talking to? I mean,
I'm just explaining to you that I didn't get a notice.
No. Who you talking to? I didn't get a notice. Who are you talking to? So first of all, you're very late for court. It would benefit you to be very humble, contrite, and respectful, because a warrant was getting ready to go out for your arrest. Number 2, this is the second scheduling of your matter. The first time we didn't issue a warrant for your arrest. But what you need to do is come to my courtroom respectful, not 2 hours late. Make sure that the court has your address, because it's not our issue if your mail is going to your mother's house. Now, I don't have to hear your case today. And the way that your attitude, I may decide not to. But I'm going to send you to the breakout room so you can speak with a lawyer. If you don't know how to come to court on Zoom, if you don't know how to be respectful on Zoom, then maybe you need to show up in person. But you're not going to come on my court and disrespect me. When I woke up this morning, I didn't say, "Oh, I'm excited to go to work," so that the people can disrespect me. Please accept to join the breakout room, and a lawyer will come in to speak with you.
Thank you, ma'am. And I wasn't trying to be disrespectful, by the way.
But you did without any effort. You were disrespectful without any effort.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Here we go again at 10:39. All right.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I'm updating the Gino Johnson amended order now. I think I see what went wrong.
Woo! There it is. Another couple of gems from two of our favorite judges. Don't forget to like, subscribe, set your notifications to all so you never miss these gems on a daily basis. I'm your boy Phil, and you've been served.